Hey, good morning, folks. I wanted to do a quick video. This is in response to a message posted in our Discord room. So the question is, should we make some kind of like a landing board to make it easier for bees to land when they're returning? Now, this is an old one that came from Brushy Mountain a long time ago. They've been out of business for a while, but this is the hive base. I can't remember what they exactly called it in their listing when they would sell it on the website, but this is a base you could put down first, and it provides this nice little platform here that the bees can kind of land on, and that's cool. Is it necessary? No, not really. We're going to go down the line over here. I want to show you a couple other things. So here's just a regular hive. You got this base that's opened up here on the front. They can land there. You see this smaller nuke? There's not much space there in the front either. They can land there perfectly fine. It's no problem. And, they will literally fly directly in. If they need more space to land, they'll land on the side. They'll land on this 4x4 post over here. And this is what it looks like with that hive base here on these 4x4s. So they do have quite a bit of room to work with, but it's not something that you have to do. So hopefully that helps. And here's what it looks like right here if you want to run two of them back to back like that on this pallet. I got this pallet from the back of Tractor Supply for free. I talked to the manager and he said no problem. So you can just do them like that. Certainly a great option, whatever works for you.